Squishy Snaps here. Today we are going to be turning a character into a squishy. I'm super excited to do this because if you know me, I don't usually make mascot squishies. You already know what I'm gonna be making by the thumbnail of this picture. It's a character that's very cute. Aww. And I'm super hyped. It's actually called Jinbei-san. I don't know how to pronounce this name, but it's super cute. Let's just get started. Before I start this video, I already picked up some sponges. Really like this type of sponges because you know it's the right type of density. This is my preferred type of sponge. So let's unpackage this and start making this squishy. So this is how the sponge looks like. Super small. So I guess we're gonna be making a small whale squishy today. So in the picture, I see that the whale has this rounded face shape. So I'm gonna round it off like this. And the sides here, it's like a very tiny body. So this kind, it's like a light bulb shape. And let's cut it out now. Use my handy dandy scissors. Now that I'm done cutting the body part, I'm going to use a new piece of sponge and cut out the fins and the tail. Now that I've finished cutting the tail and the body part, I'm going to stick them together just so that I can trim the sponges between it better and make it fit better. Now I can trim the tail part. So I've cut out the flippers and the dorsal fin. I had to search up the name of these parts. Now I'm gonna stick them together with double-sided tape. So this is the finished product, and not really because you still need to paint it. When you make squishies, if you get the shape right, it's almost like you already finished it because you know the hard part is the cutting part actually. Super happy with how the sponge is shaped, and now it's time to paint it. I'm going to paint it with acrylic paint and glue. I am like halfway done painting the squishy, but I think that it will be easier for me to paint all the sides if I attach an eye pin to it. So here I have a cell phone strap and an eye pin.
Hey guys, I'm back and now I have the wheel with me. I already used a pencil to draw out the face and some circles. Now I'm just going to use paint to color them in. First I'm going to use a black Sharpie to draw the face. And let's have our fingers crossed that we are not going to screw this up. Now I'm going to use a lighter shade of blue. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and subscribe right below if you haven't already, and also make sure you ring the bell button to get notified whenever I upload. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will sign off now.